Good morning students. Today we will do question number 4th of exercise 5.1 till question number 3rd we have done. Now question number 4 is, if a point C lie between two points A and B such that AC equal to BC. 2 points, a point is given there C which is lies between the 2 points A and B such that AC equal to BC, then prove that AC equal to 1 upon 2 AB. Explain by drawing the figure. So first of all we have to draw a figure. Here 2 points are given, A and B. Okay, two uh, 2 points A and B are given, and third point C is lie between the 2 points AB na. So take C in the mid of the point AB, and now we have AC equal to BC. This AC, ये वाला part, and this BC, that means CB or BC, you can say anything. This both are equal. Then what we have to prove? AC equal to 1 upon 2 AB. So first of all, given A and B are 2 points and C lie between them. C is between them such that now A and B are the 2 points and C lie between them, such as AC equal to CB or BC. These are the given thing. Okay, now what we have to prove? So right there, to prove what we have to prove there, we have to prove AC equal to 1 upon 2 AB. This thing which we have to prove. So let's start proving. Here is the point P. I taken a given part AC as AC equal to CB. These are the given thing, AC equal to CB. Okay, so I am taking as the given thing which are given. Now in this given thing I am adding AC on both the side. So add AC on both side of above equation. So after adding AC both the side, what will you get? AC is already there, then we are adding AC again, and CB is there, so CB plus AC. Again I added AC. So AC and AC, if we add both the sides same, so equation does not change, because we know that by the Euclid axioms equals are can added to be the equals. Now we have to solve this. So AC plus AC equal to 2AC, which is equal to CB plus AC. CB plus AC, that means we have to add this CB and this AC. So what will you get? Whole part, because this and this is equal to whole. So CB is there and AC is there. Now add this two to get total AB. Okay, because C is between them and AC plus CB equal to AB is there. So now what we have to find? The value of AC. Value of AC is equal to, if we transpose this to that side, then there will be 1 upon 2 AB. Okay, so that is the proof which we have to show. Okay, so right there, hence proved. Okay, so this is the question number 4th solution. Now we will do question number 6 of this exercise. If AC equal to BD, question number 5 we will do tomorrow. Now AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB equal to CD. So given part which we have to mention first, given is AC equal to BD, and now what we have to prove? To prove AB equal to CD, and given figure is this. A and D is the ending points, B is between there, and C is there. So now we are starting proof. So there is the given equation is AB equal to CD, which is given which we have to take to prove this. Now see, AC equal to CD given na, AC equal to BD, AC equal to BD is given. So AC equal to BD जो given था अपन का इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट सपोज कर लेते हैं. We are taking the given equation AC and BD. Now in the diagram where the AC, from there to there is AC, so in the place of AC we may write AB plus BC, because AB plus BC equal to whole AC. Okay, and similarly for BD, from there to there is BD, to BD we will get BC plus CD if we add this and this to get whole BD. Okay, now see, there is AB, BC and BC, CD. Which is the common point is there? Common point is BC is there, and there is also BC. So what we can do? We can cancel BC from both the side, because both have the same side, plus and plus. Or we can do solve as AB, and we take CD that side minus CD that side, and take BC this one and put this BD there as minus BC. Okay, so AB equal minus CD equal to 0. So value of AB equal to, if we transpose this CD, then there will be CD. So both the condition you can apply. You can cut directly BC from both the side and you will get AB equal to CD as this, or you can solve by these two steps. So this thing which we have to prove, so right there, hence proved. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 6. Now today we will do question number 5 and 7. Sorry, tomorrow we will do question number 5 and 7.